So, how does the parts affect the battery life and performance? Today, I invite a valid battery expert to introduce for us in details. Let's welcome Mr. Larry.
Hello, this is Larry.
Hi Larry, would you like to introduce the relationship between battery weight and the battery performance?
Okay, so hello, let us understand some battery information from the professional facilities at the testing lab that like this is the battery grid. When we paste the activity rubber materials to be the flat like this one, the battery grid functions is electric conduction. The electric come from the chemical reactions of the rubber materials and the acid. So what electric current supplied, this is based on the rubber materials chosen for the battery plate. We can see some battery rubber materials from the professional machine at the testing lab from here. This is the SEM machines. This machine can enlarge the battery rubber materials over 5,000 times. We can study and see exactly functions from the rubber materials. From the machine analysis photos, we can see this photo. They show some different rubber materials of the activities. We call the 4BS. The different shaft 4BS, they are supplied the different function, like the circle shafts and the square shafts. The circle shafts 4BS, they supply the longer cycle life performance, and the square shaft 4BS, they supply the big current discharge functions. Hello, this machine is XRD. This machine can read the battery plant formulas of the activity rubber materials. This machine can read the different rubber materials, the formula percentage rate in the plant, and supply the different performance. We can see the picture photos here. They can show the different construction of the activity rubber materials of the plant, and then they can read the performance. Okay, next. Like this one. So based on the analysis, we can choose what formula of the rubber materials we can use to advantage the battery performance and during the different applications. Also, some international battery corporation take a very long time practical test and research the battery weight and the performance. Let us see their report and the conclusion. So the reasonable construction design of the battery grid, this can decide the battery cycle life, and the reasonable formula of the battery plate activity rubber materials, this can decide the battery performance during the different application.
Thanks, Larry. So the battery weight doesn't affect the battery cycle life and spark time too much.
Yes.
But why some customers pay more attention to the battery weight? To meet the weight request, what does the factory do to increase the battery weight?
Here are our two ABS containers for same models. We can see the difference.
Okay.
This one, we can see the weight.
1.26 kgs.
Yes, you can see this one.
Wow, it's 1.68 kgs.
Yes.
It's heavier.
Too heavy.
So the first way to increase battery weight is increase the battery container weight.
But it is not useful for the battery discharge time and the cycle life.
Besides increase battery container weight to increase battery weight, Larry, is there any other way to increase the battery weight?
Yes, The second way is improve the lead usage on the battery. We know it share about 68% of the battery weight.
But the cost is too much.
The people can use the recyclable lead, but it makes the cycle life be shorter.
So we don't recommend this way.
Yes, we just suggest to use the number 1 pure lead. The purity is above 99.994. We can see the result.
Oh, okay.
This is the test report for the lead the purity here.
Moreover, to meet customer requests for the battery weight, what else did? Let's see some pictures. Oh, what's this inside? It's a salmon and the glasses. It's terrible. So, as we introduced today, the real part affect battery cycle life and discharge time is the active material of VRLA battery and battery grade. Increased battery weight makes no sense. Did you get it?